Sennheiser CX400BT True Wireless Earphones with 7mm dynamic drivers, customizable controls launched. Sennheiser CX400BT True Wireless Earphones have just been announced. The earphones will be available in black and white colors starting September 15 and are priced at €199, roughly 17,500 rupees. Sennheiser is marketing the CX400BT as everyday earphones for casual listeners. The new Sennheiser earphones feature a squared-off earbud design, compared to the rounded design of the more premium Momentum True Wireless 2 earphones. Along with a charging case, the CX400BT are said to offer up to 20 hours of playback time. Sennheiser says the CX400BT have a stylish and minimalist design, but looking at some of the press photos, it seems anything but that. The main earbuds seem to stick out quite a bit when you wear them and have a square design, compared to the circular design on the Momentum True Wireless 2. Each earbud features 7mm dynamic drivers. The audio signature of the earphones can be tweaked using the Sennheiser Smart Control app. There are touch controls on the outer section of the CX400BT that can be customized for calls, music playback, or accessing voice assistants. The earphone boasts of up to 7 hours of battery life on one charge, and up to 20 hours in total when using the charging case. Sennheiser's official announcement doesn't go into much detail about the specifications, but according to The Verge, the CX400BT feature Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity and support advanced audio codecs such as AAC and APC, in addition to SBC. It also mentions that the earphones can only be connected to a single device at a time. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.